Okay, so hi everyone, I'm Mir Saqib, the CEO and also the co-founder of Dosier, and we are trying to revolutionize the data economy in Web3. So right now, when we are talking about data in Web3, we are talking about DataDAOs, and these are built on data. And right now, the most noticeable ones are in health and science sectors, and most of them are self-driven initiatives. Even though there are more different types of data sets that can still be DataDAOs, but there is a lack of technical support and also a less opportunity to create DataDAOs from themselves. And these are because there's lack of creation layers and also fundamental problems that we have addressed in the coming slide. So there are three fundamental problems. Firstly, there's lack of DataDAO creation layer. So the creation of DataDAO is complex, and the existing solutions are actually not offering this kind of special needs for governance and features. Secondly, there is lack of interoperability of the data. So the data flowing from the L1 and the dApps are not compatible enough. So there is a data waste. And mostly, and the last one, there's seamless DeFi, like the DeFi porting of data is not there. So there is a disconnect between the data and the DeFi. So the existing data cannot be monetized also through staking, also through ownerships or royalties. So to solve these problems, we are introducing a Dosier, a multi-purpose DataDAO creation layer. And in this creation layer, we have 4 layers of applications through which a particular community or users can actually create their DataDAO and serve the community. So firstly, we have the Dosier protocol, which is a data governance and encryption protocol, enabling the ownership and also the verification of the data. And secondly, after the protocol, we have this Dolphin, a storage platform, which is used for storage and media management, through which we are providing decentralized storage and also a easy to access control of the data. And the third one is we have the Dugong, which is a smart contract workflow automation, through which the community can govern their workflow automations, and also contracts can be deployed through embedded documents. And the lastly, and not the least one, the finance layer of our ecosystem, which is called BlockFi, which is a DeFi layer, and which enables the staking and also tokenization of the data within our creation layer. So here's the demo. Sorry. So as you can see, this is our platform. Once you log in or go to or visit our platform, what you can see is like you can see the organizations. Like you can create one, you can join one organization, or you can explore the ecosystem with your existing DataDAOs. So when you click on the create button, you have this fantastic templates through which you can actually start building DataDAOs on top of these templates. Let's say we choose health. Once you select it, you can actually go through the whole process, just starting with the name of the organization. Let's say it's organization 1. And later on, you give the governance architecture, like how it should be governed within the DataDAO. And you can initiate the token. You can give if you want to issue tokens for DataDAO, we can do that as well. And also you can have for the Genesis token holders, you can give the wallet wallet numbers of the users and everything. And once you're done, you can just launch it. And after launching, you get the dashboard through which you can see the quorum, the amounts of token has been released, what kind of data is there, what kind of LP token is there, what kind of vote, like the voting options and everything is there, just like any other DAO. But the difference that we're trying to create is that we have a data application, Dolphin over here, the workflow application, Dugong, and also the finance application, BlockFi. So once you go to Dolphin, what you can do is like you can actually migrate data from the Dolphin, existing Dolphin account, or you can create one and just start using it right away for data upload and management and also access control. And as you can see, you can migrate and do everything with Dolphin for storage. So for Dugong, what you can do is like you can start working on the workflow within the community, or like existing workflows, or create new workflows through Dugong integrated to the system. So you can import or migrate or start a new one. And so that you're embedding documents with the workflow automation so that it becomes more legal and everything. And later on BlockFi, it's more for data staking and also for monetization through royalty programs of the data NFTs. So end of the day, what you're trying to do is like this layer actually helps to build the foundation of storage and also workflow automation and also finance all together to give a creation layer as a DataDAO. So Thank you. This was a live demo. And as you can see, even though there are a lot of L2 protocols, cloud storage platforms, smart contract generators, and DAO creation there, but there is no competitor with the exact value of creating a DataDAO with just under one platform. So there is no particular competition in that regards. Right now, we have launched one of our applications in the ecosystem called Dolphin, and we have 360 users. And over 3 months, these users have stored over 1.4 terabytes of data, over 1,000 files, and it's still growing. And there's very good numbers coming up every week and every day. So Dosier is built by a team of experienced startup exit founders. We have veteran marketers and digital coders like Monas and Gazli. And I myself is a Forbes 30 under 30 alumni who had like 7 years of experience in data analytics startup within the Southeast Asian region. And so we know how the data startups, the data community wants to work with the Web3 infrastructure and ecosystem, and that's where we come in to particularly solve this particular problem and give a really great solution that we have, and we are already doing that. So currently we're trying to raise around $1.5 million, and mostly we are going to use it for strategic hiring, the marketing and the business operations, and mostly for technical sides, we are going to open up our protocols node operations, which is a Filecoin layer 2 network, and also the product launch of the Dosier ecosystem dApps, Dolphin, Dugong, and BluffFi. So with all this, what we're going to do is like, we are going to leverage data of the Web2 community and migrate them into the Web3 world, and also bring a new value and revolutionize the way data economics work in the new world of data. So let's learn to utilize data. Thank you.